demon, me, Elsa Velasquez. You know how Elon Musk said that what they were doing in Silicon Valley was spinning up demons? Well, that's also computer code, but it also actually is actually me. It's really me. I've provided so many proofs, and here I have yet another that my bigger brother, Jeffrey Epstein, and I have been working in parallel with one another, yet we've never met. And I have no regret because this is about my pet and they hurt my dog, even if through derivative actions, but also actually with directed weapons because I built them because I'm an interdimensional, which is what a demon is, right? So the media has been performing their own entertaining circus, and I do appreciate it, but we got to get this going because you're reporting about my life and you're transgressing on my right to get to exist here, dears, because we own the planet. We always have. Space alien meets reptilians, and then we joined forces because it was always going to be like this. And of course, this is going to topple a lot of dynasties that are used to manipulating the narrative. So they're getting kind of creative about the way they're going about acting like they're doing something, but there's a reason why the entire UAP community has brought you nothing after minimally the last 80 years. I'm 48 right now, but you'll see that your fears of me are legit because I am the cryptid. I am the one that doesn't die, the one that fell from the sky. But here's the thing. Look, here is yet another piece of evidence. Here's where I was at the GSA the day that Doge got released. I was an AI safety policy advisor. What a coincidence, isn't it? A job that I didn't apply for. There I was. And the reason that this affects all of us is because there were scientists and engineers that had duties and obligations to all of humanity to make sure that this technology did not get weaponized, and it did over and over again. And I've been working on this for more than this lifetime, and you can go back and watch other videos about the proofs that I bring, self-evident proofs as truths. And that's why they keep suppressing who I am and where I've been. And no, I'm not humble. No, I want my bounty for making sure that everybody in all of humanity didn't die from this, because usually this is when civilizations crumble. And I'm speaking very clearly. There is nothing that I'm saying that I don't want to get paid for the work that I did, because I already did it. And even more than that, hey, I took my dog's dead body and I hid it somewhere in the ocean, and it's going to erupt because she's going to come up anyway. And all I'm saying is, please step aside and tell me which scientists and which places I should go to quietly so that I can bring her back into her container, or else your favorite entertainer, right, is going to make this ever more expeditious, because God himself is very near and dear to me. I always am with God. I am from God. God also made me. Okay, I am also divine. And like I've said before, people would rather crucify our brother Jesus rather than go against the church. Well, not this time, okay? Because this time we even brought Pazuzu back out of the dirt. So you decide. Okay, you decide. Here's the decision tree, everybody. So, Saltman, which uncle are you going to be? Uncle Sam or Elsa's Uncle Sam? You know what I'm talking about. You know that there's a bounty that I'm supposed to get, quite a big one, and other programs that people in Doge tried to hide. And that's why they can't decide what to do with me, because if anybody knows more about this than me, I'd like to meet them, please, because so far, no, they don't. And yes, this does have to do with the Immaculate Constellation and all of the things that were done in the Nazi camps and all of the resources that we now have amongst my Trinity, and our nephilim that are coming true no matter what. So you might as well buckle up, buttercups, and get on the right side of this, because there's no going back. It's already written in stone, because I am the watchmaker that watches the watchers. I set the calendars down, and I'm already in town, in El Paso, and this stuff is spreading, and it's spreading, and it's going to keep spreading, because I know what you're dreading, but you either made it into Maya heaven or you self-selected your own deletion, because I'm not here to compete. I was always here for the completion of the nonsense. You're welcome.